How are you?
Fine, fine, thanks.
Now we are here again with Mr. Amar Agarwal, who has written his
Yeah.
book Lal Kitab, which is based on astrology.
Oh,
And this is
yes.
our second interview from Book Media. तो
Okay.
सर आप कुछ बताओ अपनी बुक के बारे में.
Basically, I'm a doctor,
Okay.
Ayurvedic doctor.
Okay.
Due to some circumstances,
Mhm.
I have to come to in astrology. I came to astrology in 1995.
Okay.
I studied Vedic astrology.
Okay.
In 2000, I started studying Lal Kitab.
Mhm.
Now I'll tell you about the Lal Kitab
Lal
in
Kitab.
Hindi.
Okay.
In Hindi. Lal Kitab initially was written by
Mhm.
Pandit Roopchand Joshi ji.
Okay.
First edition came in 1939
Mhm.
and subsequent edition 40, 41, 42 and 52.
Mhm.
Those were all written in Urdu and Farsi.
Urdu and Farsi.
Urdu and Farsi.
Okay.
Which were and which is
Mhm.
very difficult to follow and understand.
Right.
I kept on studying, could not understand the things.
Mhm.
But in 2012 and 13,
Mhm.
I could understand the hidden meanings of this book.
Mhm.
So at that time, I decided that I will write this Lal Kitab in Hindi
Mhm.
for the benefit of my students. I have been teaching for the last 25 years.
Superb. That's amazing.
So my students and our readers and learners.
Mhm.
So I was successful.
Mhm.
My first book published in 2017,
Okay.
second 18,
Mhm.
and the last one is now by Book Media.
Okay.
Getting ready with 2 books more.
Okay. Wow.
Now I'll tell you Lal Kitab in Hindi.
Sure.
लाल किताब एक ज्योतिष की किताब है ही नहीं है. हम कहते हैं गीता जो है ना वो कर्म की किताब है. ये गीता से बढ़कर कर्म और संस्कार की किताब है. कुछ लोगों का ये भी भ्रम है कि ये तांत्रिक किताब है. नॉट एट ऑल. दिस इज टोटल सात्विक बुक. दिस once you read it, it changes the total attitude, aptitude and personality of the native towards the positiveness. This is the plus points of this book. People are using it as a remedial purpose. No doubt, it has a remedial part of its own. But even then, one has to keep in mind that this book is full of spirituality.
Spirituality. True that.
This book has been synchronized with the rising of sun and taking birth of a native. Every planet influences the native at the time of birth. Then the book continues further. This book deals with 2 major things. I'll tell a couplet from this book. बद लालच गर दुनिया मारे नेक दान को गिरते हैं. Bad is Rahu.
Okay.
Malefic qualities and large. You know very well what is large. अगर दुनिया इस चीज को छोड़ दे ना तो ये सबसे बड़ा दान है, सबसे बड़ी पॉजिटिव अप्रोच है नेटिव की. These are the teaching of this book. ये किताब बिल्कुल कोई आपको नहीं कहती कि आप रत्न पहनो, ये करो वो करो. This book deals with 9 planets as all other sciences deal. Every planet has one relative assigned. So you keep very good relation, cordial relation with your natives, you will not face any problem in your life. We go to temples, there are so many gods and all that. But according to this book, the सबसे सुप्रीम जो परमात्मा है वो हमारे माँ बाप हैं.
Exactly.
Who brought us in this world. तो अगर आप माँ बाप की सेवा करते हो, you don't have to go anywhere.
You don't have to go anywhere. Exactly.
Anywhere. फजूल की बातों में टाइम बर्बाद करने वाली बात है. This book deals with medical astrology very well.
Okay.
I have recently cured 3 patients of corona positive.
With the help,
of this book only.
Wow.
And one of those was my nephew. That was a big risk. But even then I went ahead. So I will advise everybody to study this book, taking it into consideration. That this is book of spirituality, not of astrology only. This is my only attempt. I should make the people aware with these things of the hidden part of this book. I'm quite successful in that also. So let's hope with the coming books it will be more towards spirituality. I'm writing the next part on total adhyatm part of this book.
Okay.
That will change the outlook of all the people.
True.
Now you can ask me few things if you.
Okay. So when you were writing your first book in 2017, what is that one thing that you realized that you want to become a writer now, and you want to write a book and save lives?
Yeah.
What did you realize?
When people came to me, this is very good book. So it was a pleasing feeling, very pleasant feeling, I can say. I never wrote these books for earning money. I tell my publishers, you reduce the price of this book, but I don't require any royalty.
Which is great.
I want that who are facing problem with the poetry part of this book, they should come across the things very easily.
Very easily, exactly. तो सर आपको कितना टाइम लगा ये लाल किताब लिखने में?
मेरे को लगा 1.5 साल.
1.5 years.
और ये 5 किताबों को मैंने एक किताब में किया.
Wow.
And it was a challenge for me.
Definitely.
I've completed it. I'm happy that I'm giving something to the students.
आपको फिर ये इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से मिली कि इस बार आपको एस्ट्रोलॉजी पे लिखना है?
एस्ट्रोलॉजी में?
एस्ट्रोलॉजी पे लिखना है इस बार?
नहीं, पहले तो एस्ट्रोलॉजी में जाने की इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से मिली?
हाँ जी.
ये है. I never even imagined कि I will study astrology.
Okay.
I was in a pharmaceutical business, in a manufacturing of pharmaceuticals.
Okay.
My elder son was 6-year-old. So I showed his horoscope to some very known astrologer. So he told me that this boy will not clear even 10th class. Then I went to 1, 2, 3, 4 astrologers of Chandigarh. Everybody said that. Then I compromised with life. It's okay. What is his fault? हमने कोई ऐसा काम किया होगा जिसके कारण ये बच्चा नहीं पढ़ेगा, ठीक है, it's okay. But that boy did not stop anywhere in his education.
Wow.
He did his engineering from Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh. without going to single a tuition even. At present, he is posted with Ericsson. He is president business consultant with them.
Wow.
My second son is living with me. He is BCI coach, cricket coach, BCCI. So perhaps this book made me change myself. I am perhaps the most satisfied person on this universe.
Wow. Super.
I
Okay.
पूछिए आप.
So you have written 3 books till now. Which one is your favorite?
All are attached one to other. एक दूसरे की पूरक हैं. The first one is grammar. The second is planet part. Then third is जिसमें prediction part है. So after writing the third book, I came to the conclusion that I should write the spiritual part of this book.
Right.
So now I am trying my hands on that.
Any suggestions you want to give to the upcoming new writers?
Upcoming new writers, even upcoming new astrologers, study this book, considering that this is not the book of astrology only.
This is also of
this
spirituality.
Is complete spirituality.
Exactly.
अपने रिलेशंस को जितना अच्छा मेंटेन कर सकते हैं उनको करो.
करते हैं. हाँ जी.
तो perhaps that's the reason कि I am not I am a totally satisfied person.
True that. We have always known that learning never stops.
Yeah.
Exactly. What was that one surprising thing you have learned while writing this book?
One surprising thing, from 2000 to 2012, I could not understand this book. I was in hodgepodge. And in 2013, suddenly, it started giving me all my answers. All my answers. It happened all of a sudden. And I am totally confused how it came to me.
Exactly. Superb. Okay. So you have published your book for the first time with Book Media?
This is first book from the Book Media.
This is the first book. Okay.
I will be giving a second book within 6 or 7 days.
Okay. How was your experience with publishing with us?
At least I am very much happy with them.
Satisfied?
My first 2 books were published by
Notion Press.
I was not happy with them at least.
Okay.
So suddenly I came across an ad of Book Media. So I wrote them. So it was a nice experience.
And you were completely satisfied with the services?
Yeah, definitely very much satisfied.
Super.
That's why I have planned I am going to give the next book, and after that, next 2 more books.
We'll be more than happy
to this house only.
We'll be more than happy. Anything you want to say about Book Media?
This is mutual.
Yes, exactly.
That's what I was seeing.
Anything you want to say about us? About Book Media?
No, it's okay.
How did you like it? जब आपने publishing होने के लिए दिया, फिर कैसा आपका पूरा experience रहा, फिर ये publish हो गई, उसके बाद का चीजें आप थोड़ा describe करोगे?
It was very nice experience. बहुत अच्छा लगा. सबसे बड़ी बात है कि I got the book as per my choice.
Exactly.
The way I wanted, it was given to me, especially the writer's copies.
The writer copy, yes.
I was very much concerned about that.
Mm-hmm.
So one has to distribute the copies amongst the officers and all that.
Right.
So according to that, it is very nice.
Okay. सर अभी तक आपने इतनी बुक्स लिख ली हैं, आपको क्या रिस्पॉन्स आता है सामने रीडर्स से? किस तरीके के कमेंट्स वो करते हैं, क्या क्वेश्चंस वो आपसे पूछते हैं?
इस रिस्पॉन्स का मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दूंगा
जी.
one of person, I don't know, he lives in London.
Okay.
He read my e-book of my first copy. Last month he rang me up कि सर मैं इंग्लैंड में रहता हूँ and I want to learn law लिखता.
Okay.
Okay, I told him कि मैं तो सिर्फ आपको फोन पे पढ़ाऊंगा. I'll tell you the method कि कैसे पढ़नी है, फोन पे पढ़ाऊंगा. I generally charge 50,000
okay.
for complete course.
Okay.
But being in London and considering my own time, so I just told him that I'll take 2 lakh rupees.
Okay.
And that person immediately agreed. He sent me 50,000 rupees next day.
Wow.
And it is just 15 days I'm teaching him, and he is more than satisfied.
Wow.
That is the happiness I am gaining.
Exactly.
I'll tell you one more experience. There was a female student of mine. She's head of department maths.
Wow.
In a very renowned public school. तो वो लगभग 5-6 साल मेरे से बड़े हैं. और अब भी जब भी मैसेज आता है ना, तो मेरे को मैसेज यही आता है कि सर हमने आप जैसा टीचर नहीं देखना अपनी लाइफ में. मैं क्लासरूम में पढ़ाता था जाके, बहुत मैंने IPS IAS पढ़ाया है. तो मैं लोगों को यही कहता था, मेरे पास पढ़ाने के लिए बहुत कुछ है, मेरे पास मटेरियल बहुत कुछ है, मेरे पास वो मटेरियल है जो आम बुक्स में अवेलेबल नहीं है. पर आप लेने वाले बनिए.
एग्जैक्टली.
डेफिनेटली अगर पात्र अच्छा है तो हमें देने में कोई इतराज नहीं है. तो माय स्टूडेंट्स आर वेरी हैप्पी विद मी. नाउ आई एम टीचिंग ए यंग लेडी बिलोंग्स टू भीलवाड़ा on the phone.
Okay.
She's very happy.
I'm sure she must be.
So that's why I enjoy it.
Super. Sir, any challenges that you face while writing a book?
Definitely more than 100,000 you can say. Because I quote one thing. Simple हिंदी में quote करूंगा.
जी.
एक लाइन आती है, चोरा टोली इक्को बोली. तो जो लोग अपने आप को बहुत एक्सपर्ट कहते थे लाल किताब में, मैं उनके पास भागता फिरता रहा कि इसका मतलब क्या है.
जी.
तो nobody could tell me. I can say कि they did not know it. तो मैंने सोचा all of a sudden I gained it. तो I was walking in the morning. जैसे लाइट स्ट्राइक करती है ना, फ्लैश स्ट्राइक करती है, मेरे माइंड में स्ट्राइक किया कि इसका मतलब ये है. I returned back from that place. I opened my laptop and wrote on the meaning of that line.
Wow.
There are so many lines. अभी रिसेंटली मैं इस पर काम करते करते इसमें एक लफ्ज आता है केतु की 3 टांगे. अब सब टेक्निकल टर्म्स है. तो मैंने किसी को फोन किया कि केतु की 3 टांगे क्या है. तो अगेन आई कुड नॉट गेट आंसर. अल्टीमेटली आई सॉल्व्ड इट कि ये हमारी जो पल्स होती है ना, पुराने जमाने में वैद देखते थे, उसमें 3 नाड़ियां दौड़ती हैं ना.
ओके.
दिस इज केतु की 3 टांगे.
ओके.
तो दिस इज वात पित्त एंड कफ, तीन नाड़ियां, वात पित्त कफ, इनका प्लस माइनस जो होता है वही हर तरह की बीमारी पैदा करता है।
ठीक है।
आई टुक ए क्यू फ्रॉम दैट, आई गेव द मेडिसिन टू माय नेफ्यू and he got cured from the corona positive case.
You saved the life. Okay.
ऐसे ही दिल्ली में एक हुआ।
Yes, please continue, sir.
हाँ, दिल्ली में हुआ। दिल्ली में मेरा एक दोस्त है, मेरा स्टूडेंट भी रहा है। तो उसका ब्रदर इन लॉ, sister's husband, he was admitted to hospital with corona positive, got pneumonia. He rang me up कि ऐसे ऐसे हालत है, डॉक्टर रिफ्यूज कर रहे हैं कि कोई देयर इज, यानी ही इज वेरी सीरियस।
ओके।
तो मैंने पहले तो उसको डांटा भी, क्या तूने मेरे को पहले क्यों नहीं बताया। फिर आई स्टार्टेड विद द मेडिसिन एंड आफ्टर 7 days he was discharged from the hospital and he is ill and hearty. It was a fantastic experience. He wrote this my experience, this thing on the Facebook even.
Wow. You have been saving lives.
With the writing की लाल किताब के चमत्कार।
Wow. फिर तो सबको ये सुनने चाहिए, लाल किताब के चमत्कार।
बहुत बढ़िया चीज है।
How much time do you spend in writing on a everyday basis?
You can say 3 hours.
3 hours. Okay.
3 hours I'm typing.
All of us know writing.
Otherwise, I am not satisfied with myself.
Oh. Okay.
हाँ जी.
Sir, all of us know that writing is an art, and writing can sometimes be very emotionally draining for people. So there must have been times in your life when you were writing this book, लाल किताब, आपके लिए भी कुछ ऐसे moments आए होंगे जो काफी emotionally draining हो रहे होंगे, या any moment when you felt very low. How did you overcome that? And again you got motivated and you started writing.
मैं आपको एक चीज बताऊं अपनी लाइफ के बारे में। I never feel low. I am not at all afraid of death.
Wow.
मैं लोगों को कहता हूं कि मौत क्या है। हम रात को सोते हैं, that is half death. We enjoy that. Sleep we enjoy. We feel fresh in the morning. And death, that is more blissful.
Exactly.
One should not be afraid of it. It has to come.
True that. That's a very nice line said by you. And I hope कि काफी लोग आपकी ये preaching सुन पाए.
हाँ, definitely सुनते भी हैं लोग. They appreciate me. कि some people say कि हम आप जैसे नहीं बन सकते जी कभी. आप जो है हम नहीं बन सकते. तो when they say like this ना, तो I feel very very happy.
Very happy, exactly.
मैं आपको छोटा सा एक्सपीरियंस बताता हूँ.
Sure.
मेरा ग्रैंडसन अभी वो ये लैपटॉप वगैरह सेट करके गया. I don't know these things. He's 10 years old. उसने एक जर्सी मंगवाई. क्रिकेट की होती है ना रंगदार जर्सियां सी, जैसे IPL की टीम की होती है. तो जो जितने की आई, तो उसके फादर बीइंग अ कोच ना, कहते ये स्टाफ बड़ा कुछ नहीं है, तो इतने महंगी है ये. मैं कहा यार फॉरगेट अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. जब इस बच्चे ने वो जर्सी पहनी थी तो आपको इसकी आंखों में चमक देखनी थी. But that is beauty.
That is beauty, exactly.
I purchased a watch. Okay. Apple 5 watch in the January. I wore it for 3 days. Now he is wearing. मेरा सन फिर कहता जी ये इतनी कॉस्टली वॉच है, टूट जाएगी. मगर no problem.
At least he's happy.
I am not a very rich man. हाँ, मैं ये आपको वही कह रहा हूँ कि जो आपके रिलेशंस हैं, रिलेटिव्स हैं, जो भी आपके जानकार हैं, आप मेरी कभी किसी से लड़ाई नहीं होती, मेरे को कभी गुस्सा नहीं आता, आई एम नेवर इरिटेटेड। लोग मेरे को कहते हैं कि हम 10 मिनट में कुंडली देखते हैं, आप 1 घंटा लगा देते हैं। मैं कह नथिंग डूइंग विद द हॉरोस्कोप। मैं कहता हूं उनको, जो मेरे पास आया है ना, मैंने उनको मानसिक शांति देनी है बस, तो मैं 1 घंटा लगा देता हूं उनको समझाने में।
एग्जैक्टली। सर ये पूरा
दैट इज माय बेसिक। हाँ
सर ये पूरा साल हमारा कोविड में गया और ये काफी लोगों के लिए मेंटली बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड आउट रहा है। सो एज पर योर एस्ट्रोलॉजी, आपने जो ये बुक लिखी है, आपको क्या लगता है अब आगे क्या होएगा?
तो यू कैन नॉट कैलकुलेट समथिंग विच इज यूनिवर्सल। Something belongs to nation can be calculated. Something belong to a state that can be calculated. So about nation, what I feel कि this cure will started by February 2020.
Okay. और अब ये आने वाला वक्त कैसा रहेगा फिर बाकी सारी ज़ोडिएक्स के लिए?
नहीं, आप इंडिया के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं?
नहीं मतलब मैं एज पर एस्ट्रोलॉजी को मैं रिलेट कर रही हूँ काफी ज़ोडिएक साइंस से, तो मैं ये पूछ रही हूँ कि ये बाकी सारे साइंस के लिए कैसा रहेगा?
आप क्या समझ रहे हैं कि ये समय खराब गया है फाइनेंशियली?
नहीं,
बीमारी तो ठीक थी।
नहीं बीमारी ठीक थी, मैं
फाइनेंशियली बिल्कुल।
हाँ जी, मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि जो अब आने वाला वक्त है, ये अब जो राशियां हैं हमारी, उनके लिए ये कैसा जाएगा?
No, you cannot predict on the basis of rashis.
Okay.
You should have one complete horoscope. There are so many things one has to check it. Suppose a person is born in November and moon is sign Libra. So he is Tula Rashi. So there will be crores of person like that. How can you predict that?
Exactly.
ये जो अखबारों में लिखा जाता है ना राशि रुशियों के बारे में, जो एक बिजनेस है, nothing else, nothing beyond that.
Right.
I don't give consultation. I don't provide consultation on phone. I don't predict anything on the charts of leader, cricketers, film stars, because they are not correct.
Right.
I predicted on the chart of one cricketer only. Since that was very powerful horoscope, and I knew the exact date. Okay. People does not know his exact date so far.
Super. काफी अच्छा लगा सर आज आपसे बात करके.
So nice meeting you. You belong to Pondicherry?
No sir, from
Delhi. You belong to Pondicherry? Delhi, okay.
Yes. And
Delhi city is full of astrologer.
Yes sir, yes. Every new
too many.
Every new place you'll see a new astrologer. But yes, you cannot trust anyone. Because as you said, ऐसे सब लोगों को आपकी तरह knowledge नहीं होती है.
नहीं. I don't consider myself super. I try to learn each and every day.
Exactly.
मैं आपसे भी सीखता हूँ, मेरे सामने वाला क्लाइंट आता है उससे भी सीखता हूँ, मैं एस्ट्रोलॉजर से भी सीखता हूँ.
Which is the best thing. We should learn.
मैंने कभी माइंड नहीं किया सीखने. मैं अभी भी क्या है कि मैं पूछने में हिचकिचाता नहीं किसी से. Our drawback is this कि हम डरते हैं पूछने में.
डरते हैं, yes.
कि अगर ये बात पूछ लेंगे तो प्रॉब्लम आएगी. मैं कहता हूँ जब तक पूछेंगे नहीं सोल्यूशन कैसे मिलेगा?
True that.
But given a proper chart, I can predict कि one is going to suffer from this disease in the next 2 years.
Okay.
and I have been predicting these things very correctly, which doctors cannot.
Which doctors cannot. Superb. Okay. Thank you so much for your time today, sir. And thank you so much for
Thank
your
you so much
teaching.
to you.
एंड आई विश कि आप अपनी ये नॉलेज और लोगों को देते रहे और काफी ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग आपके पास आए और आपकी इस नॉलेज को सुन सके। मेरे को ही काफी अच्छा लगा आज आपसे बात करके, आपका ये
Sure, thank
इंटरव्यू
you.
लेके।
It will be my pleasure to spread my whatever I know.
एग्जैक्टली, दैट्स द मोस्ट अमेजिंग फीलिंग व्हेन यू शेयर योर लर्निंग्स एंड यू स्प्रेड दैट नॉलेज सेल्फलेसली।
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच, सर।